Hey guys, it's Robert over at Bloomington Acura. Today I'm going to do a quick walk around video on this 2022 Acura ILX A-Spec with premium package. Now the one I'm going to show you today, it is sold, but it is a Majestic black pearl with that beautiful red interior that you get on that A-Spec package. So let's take a look. So doing a quick walk around on this vehicle, you can tell it's an A-Spec. If you look at these wheels here, they've got these beautiful 18-inch wheels in the sharp gray metallic finish on some beautiful Continental tires. The A-Spec model does have little side skirts on the side. We've got our A-Spec badges all around the vehicle, that way you know for sure what kind of vehicle we're looking at here. Coming around the car. Now my favorite part on the ILX A-Spec packages is they do have this really nice rear deck lid spoiler on the back. Just gives it a nice little shape to the rear. You can see how it comes off on the end there. Now, if we open up the car, I do have the key with me. There's a little button right on the side. So, here's your trunk space in the back of the ILX. Now the ILX, it is a front wheel drive vehicle, so we do have a bit of extra space on the sides than we would in, let's say, a TLX with the super handling all-wheel drive. Now I'm going to try and do this with one hand. We'll see if I can get it down below. Because it's an A-Spec, you don't get a spare tire, so you've got your tire inflator kit down where you would typically have a spare tire. Back seats do fold down. We've got a little lever or button on the side here. So if I pull this button, I can now go into the side. And now I'll just pull on the headrest to bring it down. So, good amount of space. Obviously this is a compact sedan, but lots of space up top here. Your pass-through is going to be a little bit tighter and almost has like a diamond shape to it, just so you know if you're ever trying to put things through. Now we do have the cargo tray like I told you about. This right here is your carpet floor mats. We've got the rubber all-weather mats in the vehicle already. Now, back seat space. It may not look like it, but it's actually a really good amount of space. I can tell you, I personally am about 5'11", 6 feet tall, and I fit really well back here. What is nice is, if I can show you, is the roofline does have these cutouts right where your heads are. In the back, no climate controls or anything like that in the rear. And then looking forward, you can see there. Now, with the premium and A-Spec package, you do get a few things. So besides the red leather, we do have your 1 and 2 position memory seats. You get more speakers in the vehicle. With A-Spec, you do get this red Milano leather with this black micro suede inserts on the center to help keep you in your seat when you are doing fast cornering. And as you can see, it does have really nice bolstering. Now, seat adjustments down below, you've got your forward, you've got your backwards, you've got the front of the seat you can lift. You can also lift the back of the seat, which is nice. Your tilt for your seat, and then you've got your lumbar controls right there. So you can see the little bag in there inflating and deflating. Now we're going to turn this to accessory mode. So looking in the vehicle, first of all, you do have your rear view mirror with your 3 garage door buttons right up above it. Sunroofs are standard on all Acura vehicles, so you do have your sunroof right there. Compartment on the side, we do have a little switch. I don't know if you can see it too well down here that actually lets us turn on and off the light in the trunk space. Now, coming up top here, you do have two screens. The top screen is controlled using this dial right here. So if I go to settings, I can just twist it left and right to go up and down, and then I click the center button to make a selection. Now you do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Your backup camera also appears in that top screen. Then down below, you've got your music. We do have a CD player as well. And then if I do turn on the temperature controls, so driver, passenger, if I turn these on, you'll see it appears down on the bottom of the screen. Alrighty. Besides that, you do have a little cubby down here where you could leave a phone, you could leave a wallet, sunglasses, whatever you like. High-low and high-low for your driver and passenger seat heaters. And then your gear selector. So you've got your park, reverse, neutral drive. You've also got your sport mode right there. Now, because this is a compact car, it's not going to have a ton of space between the driver and the passenger, but I can tell you, me sitting here, it is very comfortable. I do have tons of headroom. Let me see if I can show that for you. So like I said, I'm about 5'11", 6 feet, and I've got a good amount of space up here. Now let's see if I can do this. And that's not even with the seat all the way low, so I can go even higher than what I'm at. Now, for your center console, there's a little button right here. Just click that. And then you've got your space down below. Let's see if the lighting will adjust for me here. You've got a 12-volt outlet, your USB charging. This is also where we're going to plug in for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And we've got an auxiliary cable right there on the side. Other standard features on all the Acuras, you've got your adaptive cruise control, you've got your lane assist, so if I turn those on, you can see those turning on and off right there. You can change your middle screen using these buttons as well. So you've got your speed, you've got your tire pressure system, all that stuff on there. And on the left side, you've got your volume commands, radio controls, all that kind of stuff. Now, I'll show you guys our hood. So with the hood up, it is a hood with a prop, just so you know. And in here we've got a 2.4 liter inline 4, making 201 horsepower. It is mated to an 8-speed DCT automatic transmission. You've got your battery, you've got brake fluid, you've got your dipstick, intercooler, all that stuff. And on the left side with the blue cap is going to be your windshield washer fluid right there. So guys, there's our walk around on the 2022 Acura ILX Premium with A-Spec package in the Majestic Black Pearl with red interior. Now, if you guys on the car, if you like this style of video, let me know. I'd be happy to make some more, and I've got a couple really cool cars coming in as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. We all say it, you all know what to do. Thanks so much. Bye.